Hello guys, so welcome to Cave Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the interior modeling over here. So let's continue it. So now what we'll be doing over here is we'll be creating this AC vent over here first. So we'll do that stuff. So for that, I'll go over here, convert to editable spline. I'll go into the vertices. I'll slightly shift this over here. Rendering, enabling viewport, and I'll make it to rectangular over here, and I'll slightly reduce this, and let's click OK over here. So let's go into this view over here and we'll just place the elements. So again I'll go into this and I'll take a line over here. So let's go into this and reduce this length and width and slightly place it in this way. So I can just increase its width over here. So I'll just duplicate this up. I'll reduce its width over here. So press shift and let's just duplicate that. Again shift and drag. Alright. So I'll go into this angle snap toggle and I'll rotate it to 90 degree. I'll go into the vertices. Slightly I'll just push this up over here. I'll just push it over here. Shift and drag. Let's make a copy of it. Alright. So let's just end isolate this. So you have created this vent over here. Now, other thing what we want over here is we'll create this kind of a cabinet area. For that, I'll go over here. I'll take a box over here. Let's take a box. Create a box over here. So I'll slightly shuffle this over here. So I'll just slightly push it in front over here for this cabinet area. So convert to editable poly. Let's go into the polygon like this. So let's just duplicate that stuff till here. That's it. Alright. So let's convert to editable poly. Let's put some loops over here. Let's add some loops. Select this polygons, slightly I'll give a bit of inset, click OK. Go into this view over here. So let's just take again a line tool over here. Let's just take a line tool. Reduce its width. So convert to editable poly. Let's select this edge. Let's put a swift loop over here. Select the polygons and slightly extrude it a bit, not much. So we'll see that there's a kind of a handle over here. Press shift and drag, make a copy of it. So just delete this. Shift and again just drag it in this way, make a copy of it. Okay. Now what we are going to do over here is like, we'll keep some space for the door over here. So I'll again take one more swift loop. So let's just take one swift loop for the door section over here. Okay. Take a line over here. Let's go to the top. Let's create such kind of a shape over here, like this. Okay. I think we can slightly reduce the area. Okay, so slightly we can, slowly we can just adjust it accordingly. Alright. So activate this, enabling viewport. So we'll definitely increase its width and increase its length. So we need this both over here. So let's go into the top view over here and let's just adjust this accordingly. Slightly reduce its length over here. Alright. So just save your file again. Go into the vertices. Slightly we'll just shuffle it a bit inside over here. Select this whole thing. Let's just give a color. And if you want to create some kind of show pieces over here, first we'll create this books part. So let's go into this view. Let's take a box. Let's take a box. So before we do this, slightly reduce its width. Let's take a box. Activate this auto grid. I'll go to the top view, that would be much better for me. So activate this. So let's go over here and increase its width a bit. So convert to editable poly. Select this edges over here. And let's give a bit of chamfer. So select this polygons. So let's go into this and give a bit of inset. And let's give bevel by local normal and slightly push it inside and click OK. So now you can shuffle this book over here. So height is too much. You can slightly reduce this height and also you can reduce this. Okay. So just put it like this, duplicate it, slightly push this up, again duplicate it, you can copy this, just select this and duplicate it. So I have just copied all this books over here. I'll just keep it over here in this way. That's it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So as you can see, so we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.